yet, welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you of piroshki stuffed with egg and green onions. I really love this combination, especially in summer or spring or autumn as well. Actually, if you give them to me in winter, I'll eat them as well. They're really delicious, very cute, and they're perfect if you're vegetarian or you want to have like a meat-free pirojok. And I hope you try them. Make sure to check out all my other piroshki recipes, as I have tons and tons of them. I absolutely love them, and I have been inspired from my granny to make loads of variations. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. In a small pot, add your instant dry yeast. Then you want to add sugar. Then you want to add warm milk. Make sure it's lukewarm, not hot or cold. And mix everything together. Set it aside for 15 minutes. In a different bowl, add your egg, then add your milk, the rest of the milk that we have, sour cream, and then your puffed up dry yeast. So just mix everything together and make sure your yeast is activated. Then finally add butter and mix everything together. You want to make sure everything has incorporated and is completely mixed in. The mixture should look just like this. Next, into your stand mixer, add your plain flour, and you're gonna attach a dough hook and then pour your wet mixture into your dry mixture and mix on a low speed until everything is mixed in. You then want to slowly keep adding the wet mixture into your flour mixture and keep mixing, and this process will probably take around 5 to 10 minutes. If you're kneading this by hand, you will need to make sure you're ready for some work. Obviously in the KitchenAid it makes it much easier. So the dough should become nice and easy and very soft, so it'd be nice and sticky just like that. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Next, add some flour onto your kitchen surface, place your dough, and you want to knead it just for a few more seconds with your hands. Add more flour on top, make sure it doesn't stick to you. So just roll it up and down, pressing from both sides, and it's very nice and soft dough, very easy to work with, and I absolutely love it. Very delicious. So once you've folded it in several times, it's ready to go and prove. So I've prepared a nice large bowl, and I'm adding some olive oil inside. You can add any oil that you have. The reason for that is when the dough goes up, we want to make sure it's not stuck and it can rise. So just spread your oil around and then add your dough inside, and then twist it around from both sides to make sure it's nice and oily. And we'll leave this to proof for about an hour and a half, depends on your house and how warm it is. So place it into a warm spot. Now we're gonna make our filling. Chop up your green onion nice and fine. You can also use any other greens that you like, parsley, coriander or dill. And then once it's done, we're going to add this into our bowl. Then I'm also adding some chopped boiled eggs inside, and they're gonna be so delicious. You want to season this with salt and pepper and add a little bit of oil just to make sure that the filling is nice and moist. Once your dough has proofed, you want to take it out, cut it in half and then in half again. And then you want to take each dough and sort of pinch off a little bit of the dough and roll into a nice ball shape. These are going to be a rough size of our piroshki, so you want to roll it out from all the sides and make sure you have enough space to put the filling inside, and then also so you can pinch the dough from the sides. I recommend adding about 1 tablespoon of the filling inside each pirojok. Once you have completed all the piroshki, you can place them aside and then make sure your oil is nice and hot. and then place them right into your pan. You want to cook them on a medium to low heat to make sure that the dough actually cooks through, and then turn them around after about 5 to 6 minutes each side. Once they're completely cooked, you want to drain them on a paper towel to make sure you get rid of any excess fat, and then they're ready to serve. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. They're so yummy. Thanks for watching. And when you break into each piroshok, it's super soft, very like a donut type of dough with a yummy egg filling. I hope you try these.